Well, hello there coders. Today we are going to learn all about the amazing extensions in VS Code for Flutter. So let's get started. First we will go to the activity bar and press the extension icon. Now we will search for Ultimate Flutter Extension Pack. Here we go. The Ultimate Flutter Extension Pack by Maruf Hassan. We are going to install it. And this will install all the extensions in this pack for us. The great thing about this extension pack is that first of all I built it, and second is that it contains all the extensions you need to work with Flutter and to boost your productivity in it. So as you can see here, this extension is enabled globally. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye. Okay, I was just kidding. So let's get started for real this time. First, we're going to delete this, and this will show us all the installed extensions we have. So I have 23 extensions in my VS Code. The first extension we're going to look at is Dart and Flutter. Dart is the programming language used to write code in Flutter. So without say, we're going to need it to write our code. And the second one is Flutter. Flutter gives us a lot of features which can be used in VS Code, such as refactoring, hot reload, hot restart, and many more. The next extension in our list is Awesome Flutter Snippets. As the name suggests, it gives snippets for Flutter. So what is snippets? Snippets are short keywords which create boilerplate code for us, like the stateless W will create stateless widget. The build will create build method. So here are a lot of snippets. So let's just try one. Let's try the mate app, which will give us material app. So let's go to the main.dart file, and let's just delete this, and let's type mate app and just press enter, and here we have it, complete material app created for us. Now let's run hot restart, and as you can see, it has created a material app with the text hello world in it. The next extension is Flutter widget snippets. It's quite similar to the Awesome Flutter snippets, but Awesome Flutter snippets lacks some snippets. So that's where the Flutter widget snippets comes in. It contains way more number of snippets for you. You can check this out here. So let's try one. Let's try the FIC, which gives us Flutter icon widget snippet. So let's get back to the main.dart file, and instead of the text, we are going to add a FIC, press enter, and it created an icon for us. Let's do a hot reload, and you can see here the icon has been created for us. The next extension is Flutter color. So this extension gives us a little box before the hex code. So it helps us better understand the color. So let's just go and try it. Let's go to the main.dart file, and here we have the icon, and let's just add a color to it. Let's add a color. So as soon as I added a color, you can see the color has, which the color is here, the color is shown here also. But you may ask that the color is already shown by Flutter in the VS Code. So what's special in it? Why use this? The special thing is that if you hover over it, it creates a color box for you. If you can pull it and change the color, yeah, let's do this color. This will be the color shown now. Let's hot reload, and here you go, we have the green color. The next extension is Bloc. Bloc is a state management technique in Flutter. So let's just go ahead and try it. You need to right click on the lib folder and select Bloc, new block. Type in the block name. So let's create a login block file and press enter, and it will create a folder for you, a block folder for you. So the block folder contains the login block file, which will contain the login block, the login events, and the login states. As you can see here, there's an issue with the login block. It says the target of URI doesn't exist, package block.block. So what this error means is that the PubSpec YAML is missing the package block. So we need to add it in our PubSpec.yaml. We can do it by the manual way of going into the PubSpec.yaml and adding it, or we can use an extension for this as well. So that's the extension we are going to look at next. So the next extension we are going to look at is PubSpec Assist. This extension adds the latest package from the pub.dev into our PubSpec.yaml. So let's just go ahead and try it. So in the login.block, we see that we have an error that it is missing the package block. So we need to go to the PubSpec.yaml and add the block package here. But I do not know the latest version of the block package. So here is where the PubSpec Assist helps. To use the PubSpec Assist, you need to press Ctrl-Shift-P to open the command palette in VS Code, and then type PubSpec Assist. And here we have it, the PubSpec Assist. Click on it, and it asks the package name. Give this the package name Bloc, and press enter, and it will show all the packages in pub.dev with the name Bloc. So we need the first one, so we will go to click it, and here it is. It has added the Bloc 6.0.2. This is the latest version in the pub.dev. So without going to the pub.dev, I got the latest version, and now it is running pub.get. Let's see. Let's wait for it so that our error can go away. And here we go, have it. The error has gone away. The final extension in our list is PubSpec Dependency Search. This extension gives us a hyperlink over the packages in our PubSpec.yaml so that we can be directly redirected to the packages. So suppose in this login.block there is a to-do. It says implement map event to state, but I do not know what map event to state means. So to understand it, I need to read the documentation of Bloc. So there are two ways to go through this. I can go to the browser and search for the Bloc and then find the documentation and then fix my issue, or I can go directly to the PubSpec.yaml, and above the Bloc I can see there is a hyperlink, search Bloc and Dart packages. Click on it and it opens a window. Do you want code to open the external website, which is this? I said open, and it will redirect me directly to the pub.dev packages block. Here I can go and read. Here I can go and read about the documentation and understand how to solve it. This was part 1 of the 3-part series on the Ultimate Flutter Extension Pack. See you next time.